right, let's take a look at a tube lighting effect. And this is perfect for if you're going to want to have a timer, maybe display your own pictures and stuff like that. You can do that here and change out all the actually animation that it has for the timing. I actually set up the weather effect here so I can know it's raining in certain areas and so forth. So I like this. This is a plus. They give you a little cloth to clean them up, and also you have to download the app if you want to control this. The USB could be plugged into a computer or directly to a USB power source. 5 amps is what you need, and it's very simple. 5 volts actually is what you need. You could change the effect by the button. There's a button in the back. If you guys can see that, there's a button. There's dragons in the back. You can change the lighting effect. You could change it to rainbow, to pretty much anything you want. Not just the LEDs, but the actual screens could change out too by hitting the button. You hit it or you hold it down and it changes the actual tubes, if you guys can see that. So I like the effects. It changes. You could download your own. You could set up your own in here. You could put your own pictures and it can animate everything that you want, your own font and so forth. I like this. This is a great effect for those that, want to maybe personalize this, make it yourself. So I'm going to show you a couple things on the app. For the app, you got a couple things. You got your timer. You could go in there and set up 24 hours or 12 hours. You can sync it up, send it out. You could turn off certain devices, certain settings. Sync with network time, you could turn it off and on. The lighting effect, you could change it to customize it. Right now we have it at pretty much a Aurora, but we could change to static, like a solid. We could put a different color, if you guys can see that, making the changes. I'm gonna put a red, and it changes red. .6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.